For some, cars are more than just machines, they're family heirlooms, tied to memories and emotions that last a lifetime. Such is the case with the Mercedes-Benz 280 SE 3.5 convertible owned by the Blumencranz family. After sitting in storage for 30 years, this beloved car has been restored to its former glory, and today, it looks even better than the day it left the factory. The journey of this Mercedes-Benz began in 1969 when Roger Blumencranz, the father, spotted the car at a dealership on his daily commute. Although he couldn't afford it at the time, the car remained etched in his mind. The following year, he finally purchased not one but 3 Mercedes-Benz vehicles, including 2 280 SE 3.5 convertibles. One of them, in a beautiful brown paint with a tan top, became part of the family. For young Eric, Roger's son, it was love at first sight. Every Saturday, father and son would spend hours washing and maintaining the car together, a cherished routine that strengthened their bond. For 17 years, Roger's wife drove the car, creating unforgettable memories. The car had become a part of the family's daily life, until one day, it was put into storage for 30 years. The family had always wanted to restore it, but the right time never came. During the COVID-19 pandemic, the decision was made. Eric, a stickler for detail, closely monitored the restoration process in Germany, receiving updates and photos from the restoration experts at Arthur Bechtel Classic Motors. The restoration was extensive. The leather interior had dried out, and rust had eaten through the car's floor. Despite these challenges, the end result was astonishing. The Mercedes-Benz 280 SE 3.5 convertible now shines brighter than ever, and when Eric's mother saw it for the first time post-restoration, she was moved to tears. This car had been like a second identity to her, having never owned another vehicle. With its 3.5-liter V8 engine, the Benz was never about speed, it was about luxury and the joy of driving. The car's performance is modest by today's standards, but it has always held a special place in the family's heart. Roger, now having owned over 30 Mercedes-Benz cars, still regards the 280 SE 3.5 as the crown jewel of his collection.